Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. So let's get into it. Number one is to find article ideas. Let's say we want to create an affiliate marketing website in the drone niche and make affiliate commissions recommending drones. I can say, write 10 article ideas for your affiliate marketing website for drone list posts that are low competition and easy to rank for. It gives you some ideas like 5 affordable drones under $200 for beginners, top 3 drones for aerial photography, 10 best drones for kids and teens, and all kinds of different ideas. Number two is keyword research. Let's say you found your niche and your keywords. Now you can use ChatGPT to find the keyword best drones for hunting. So I'm going to type in, give me 10 SEO optimized article titles for the keyword best drones for hunting. So you can pick for your blog post from one of the title ideas and move to the next step. Number three, write an article. After choosing the topic ideas and picking the right title for the article, we can start using ChatGPT to write the articles for us. So let's type in, write me a 1,000-word article based on the target keyword, best drones for hunting. Make the article SEO optimized. And as you can see, it gave the intro and all the paragraphs. So these are a few examples of how you can use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. The AI tool can help you with keyword research, finding topic ideas, all the way to writing the articles. ChatGPT plus your skills can equal money. It's not magically just going to make you money overnight, but it can enhance and speed up your skills. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.